clue that we're at the airport. I'm sure we'll be flying on autopilot today, not just in my Tesla, but in this beautiful Beechcraft Bonanza has GFC 500 autopilot. Let's go for a flight. If you've already been on my channel, I have been flying a Beechcraft Bonanza A36 November 900 Alpha Whiskey. So today we're going to be flying a Bonanza A36. So it's a 6.9 Gulf Delta. So there are a couple of differences to begin with. So this airplane actually has tip tanks. There you can see the tip tanks there. So it can carry a lot more fuel and a lot more distance. So, but other than that, there are a couple of other differences. The prop is a little different in this airplane. The other Bonanza 900 Alpha Whiskey has a scimitar prop, and this has a Macaulay prop. You know what that means? That means we do have an RPM limitation at certain manifold pressures. So I'm flying this airplane for the first time, so I'm kind of curious as to what are the differences that I can notice. They are supposed to be similarly equipped Bonanzas. Let me walk you through a little bit. This is also a 6-seater. So right now 2 seats have been removed. You can install 6 seats in this Bonanza as well. Let's hop in the cockpit. It's kind of hard to see right now, but this airplane or this Bonanza also has G3X Touch, G5, GTN 750, but it does not have a GTN 650 like the other Bonanza did. It also has another G3X Touch. It's a smaller G3X Touch. So like I pointed out, there are tip tanks, and that's the transfer switch. Another kind of difference in this between these two Bonanzas is, so you can see the pilot's side has the rudder and brakes, whereas the passenger side has just the rudder, no brakes. Now pre-flighted the airplane, it looked very similar to the other ones. So let's just start the engine and maybe go on for a flight, see if we can find any other differences.
Okay, so on the ground I don't necessarily see much difference taxiing. I actually have slightly better visibility over the nose on this Bonanza compared to 0 Alpha Whiskey. Tower Bonanza 69 Golf Delta holding short runway 16 at Bravo.
Bonanza 69 Golf Delta, Peachtree Tower, runway 16, clear for takeoff, left turn out to the north is approved.
Runway 16, clear for takeoff, left turn to the north approved. 69 Golf Delta. Let's line up with the runway. It's the first time I'm taking off 16. So we're going to rotate about 70 knots. Tower set. Airspeed alive. 40 knots. 50, 55, 65.
Traffic
70,
2 o'clock,
rotate.
same altitude, less than 1 mile.
Alright, positive rate. Gear up. Landing lights out, taxi lights out. Alright, turn to the left, turn to the north. 2,100 to 3,500 feet. If I can.
Bonanza 9 Golf Delta, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved. So yeah, the whole setup is a little different. Alpha Whiskey had a little panel here where you can switch from COM 1 and COM 2. Now all that has to be done here, which is something a little different. I talked about the G5 location being right there, and I'm going to leave the cowl flaps open. So we're doing about 149 knots true, probably a little bit slow for this airplane at least. But my leaning is pretty good. I'm only burning 11.8 gallons, so maybe I can go a little bit more. See if I can get better economy here, better speed. Yeah, the visibility is not too bad, not great. Alright, so we're about 6 minutes out.
Thickest traffic, Delta 6711 Golf is taking runway 34. We're going to make a left downwind departure to the southeast.
Thickest traffic, Bonanza 69 Golf Delta is about 8 miles to the south. we'll do a straight in for runway 34 if traffic is not accompanied. Tickets. Alright, let's get mixture rich. Go down below the gear extension speed. Put the gear down. Wow, large flaps. Tickets traffic, Bonanza 69 Golf Delta, it's about 4 miles, final for runway 34. Tickets. Okay, alright, let's slow down a lot more. Yeah, too high. Don't need any power. Now short final, tops full. Tickets traffic, Bonanza 69 Golf Delta, short final for runway 34. Yes. Alright, gear down, gas leaks.
Drone traffic, 681, Golf 50, final call, departing towards northwest. Drone traffic.
500.
There you go, that's 500 feet.
Right cross, runway 9, but we're leaving area.
Flaps. Tickets traffic, Bonanza 69 Golf Delta, clear of runway 34 weekends. Alright, landing lights off, taxi lights off. Alright, we just got some fuel at Pickens. We are departing back to
Tickets traffic,
PDA.
Skyline.
So, I was going through my logbooks, I just realized I finished 500 hours of total time. Alright, power set. Airspeed alive, 60. Rotate. Alright, positive rate. Gear up. Lights out. Pickens County traffic, Bonanza 69er Golf Delta, departing the area to the south, Pickens. Alright, so altitude capture, 200 to go. So doing 155 knots. So, to me it looks like this airplane is a little bit slower than the other airplane. Peachtree Tower, Bonanza 69 Golf Delta with information. Oscar about 16 miles to the northwest.
Bonanza 8 Golf Delta, route reports 8 miles northwest of the airport.
Port 8 miles northwest, 69 Golf Delta. I don't have the airport inside, there is a traffic below us, there's a lot of traffic, a lot of people. I have the airport inside. Peachtree Tower, Bonanza 69 Golf Delta, about 8 miles to northwest.
Bonanza 69 Golf Delta, Peachtree Tower, make sure you're runway 21 right. Runway 21 right, number 2, clear line.
Alright, below gear extension.
Cessna 225.
Alright, gear down, big green, mixture rich, drop will get full very soon. Go a little bit high, that's okay. I can slow down,
500.
just 500. Drops full, mixture rich, 90 knots, looking good.
Traffic, 12 o'clock. Low, less than 1 mile.
Runway made.
10-10-67, runway 21 right, clear line. Bonanza 9 Golf Delta, turn right, taxiway Foxtrot, then contact ground point 6.
Right on Foxtrot, contact around 69 Golf Delta.
November 69 Golf Delta, stay parking.
69 Golf Delta, we're going to the west ramp.
November 69 Golf Delta, Peachtree ground, taxi west ramp via Alpha.
West ramp via Alpha, 69 Golf Delta, thank you. Yeah, it's a little different. The avionics, I was kind of not necessarily struggling, but I was trying to find information on this one. For example, the comps were not where I was used to seeing. Took a minute to figure that out. But the flying itself, the airplane flies very similar to Zero Alpha Whiskey, which is great news. So I was nervous flying this airplane, but glad I did it because I'll have to take this airplane for longer trips. I know exactly how
Peachtree,
works. Alright, I need to do some maneuvering here. Whatever.
Thanks for flying with me. So the next ritual is cleaning the airplane. Now let's get started. But just to close it off this video, so the difference is that between this Bonanza and Zero Alpha Whiskey are primarily on the physical side, are the tip tanks and lack of brakes, and there are slight differences in the avionics too. As you have seen, it's just the layout is slightly different, but The good news is fly very similar, because they are more or less the same model year, A36's, similar engines. After cleaning the airplane, we're done for the day. Thanks for watching.